Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your marketing with Mailchimp step by step clearly. Create a Mailchimp account if you haven't already. Visit the Mailchimp website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required fields with your email, username, and password. Confirm your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your account details. Enter your business name, website, and relevant information about your company. Navigate to the Audience tab in your Mailchimp dashboard. Here, you can create a new audience or import an existing contact list. If importing, ensure your contacts are formatted correctly as a CSV or Excel file. Once your audience is set, click on the Campaigns tab in the sidebar. Select the Create Campaign button to start a new marketing campaign. Choose the type of campaign you wish to create, such as an email or landing page. Follow the prompts to name your campaign and select your audience. Customize the campaign layout using Mailchimp's templates or start from scratch. Add engaging content such as images, text, and call to action buttons. Utilize the Merge Tags feature to personalize your emails with recipient names. Preview your email to ensure formatting and content appear as intended. Test your email by sending a preview to yourself or a test group. Once satisfied, schedule your campaign or send it immediately. Monitor campaign performance using Mailchimp's analytics tools. Use this data to refine future campaigns for better results. Consider segmenting your audience for targeted marketing strategies. Explore automation features to reach customers based on their behavior. Integrate Mailchimp with other platforms to streamline your marketing efforts when necessary. Regularly update your audience to maintain clean and active contact lists. Keep testing different subject lines and content styles to see what resonates best. Leverage Mailchimp's A/B testing feature to optimize your campaigns. Stay informed on the latest features and updates Mailchimp offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.